Hey everybody, it's Brandy and Heather from the Idaho Scrapbook Show, and we wanted to take you along on our trip. We were just out and about today, and we're at the Dollar Tree, and we want to bring you along so that you can shop with us.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can watch more videos from us.
Awesome. Okay, so we're currently in the craft aisle, and we're just seeing what they have and seeing if there's anything functional, because we don't like to do cheesy and generic-y type stuff. But the Dollar Tree has there's some hidden gems all over the store, and we want to share. So we're in the craft aisle. Let's see what we find.
Yes. So we're going down the craft aisle, and we found these awesome canvases. And not only do they have this size, but they have this size over here. And this is flat. So you could use this for stamping, for art journal.
And that's actually real canvas, like not just a piece of canvas.
So they have this size.
Weird.
And they have this size.
Oh, little.
Cute.
How big
and
is that?
More than
oh, there's 3 in there.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh, 4x6. That's perfect.
And so we have this size, which is stretched canvas, and then we have 3 different sizes of flat, which you could put in picture frames.
Oh yeah, they fit perfect because there's 3 in this package.
And
awesome.
There's a couple in this one.
And while you were looking at that, because we play squirrel all the time, I already found sequins in 2 different sets of colors.
Oh no, there's 3.
Oh, buckets. This is true. Oh my gosh, holy Mermaidville Batman, look at that. Ugh. And glitter to match.
Yes, look at.
Oh my word. Oh, that matches these sequins. Look at this. Oh, I'm in so much trouble. We are gonna glitter everything, people. It's happening.
So
all right, what else?
Oh gosh, what don't they have? So here we have tacky glue.
Oh, that's Aleene's. That's not even generic.
No, this is a brand name.
Oh wow.
So yeah, $1.
Oh, they have Mod Podge too.
Mod Podge.
Why did I not know that?
I don't know. They have glitter glue.
Let's go down that one.
Look at, if you're looking for a project that needs little
clothespins.
Clothespins.
Oh, and you could spray paint those so easy.
Yeah. And so I found these little storage containers, which would be perfect for sequins or beads.
Oh, and they're empty already.
Yes.
Oh wow, those are cute.
Those are cute.
I bet they hold like a tablespoon or 2.
Oh, exactly. And
what?
Baker's twine, $1.
How many colors do they have?
They have.
There's one, a whole set.
Oh gosh.
Oh my word.
Look at 3 different colors. Oops.
Oh wow, so that's 6 colors. Oh my gosh, that's way cheaper than the
$3.
big stores. Yikes. Wow. All right, well let's see what's around the other corner. Okay, now in the floral aisle, is that? Oh, and the glass. Well, lots of them are rearranged different anyway. But anyways, what did you find? Your favorite?
Everybody needs to know about these because these are so awesome. These are luminaries. They're battery operated, and you can stamp on them. And we actually have a video that shows how to do that. So we'll link you to that. But these are amazing, and I've got like 12 at home that I'm going to do something with. But we'll link you, and you can see how to use these. Awesome.
Oh yeah, and it's super easy, and I made like a case of them now. So here's more cases for me.
Yeah.
Okay, over in office supplies, that's where I like to get a lot of my stuff and transform it. Here they've got cute sticky notes. If any of you are planner gals, you could easily put a sticker on the back of these and get those into your books, and they have lots of different styles.
Okay, I have to tell you about this because I watched it on YouTube. So this lady took a what are those called? Those racks, baking racks, hung it on the wall.
Oh, the dishwasher rack?
No, more of a baking rack.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hung it on the wall, then took some hooks and hooked these on there, and then she put all her pens and stuff in, and it was amazing.
Oh, cute. Oh, and you can get a hook in there in the holes. I saw a lady who spray painted these like pink, like a light pink or baby blue, and then used it on the top of a luminary like it was a lampshade.
Oh,
like literally, people think of everything. I cannot even. My brain doesn't work that way.
It and use it for
crafts. Oh yeah, just to match. Well, lots of people like to do that where everything matches in their room, and then because see, here's me right now. I'd be like, oh, too bad it's gray, and I'd put it back. Like seriously, that's how my brain works. So totally. Sad. Okay, in the other section of the office supplies where they have like the desk supplies,
we have binder clips, and I love to put washi tape on these. Yes, they look so cute, especially glittery ones, and it's so easy to do. You just
and decorated ones are so expensive, and I kind of want them to match what I already have, because if I don't start using what I have, my husband's gonna kill me.
So yes, the $1.
Oh, for 10. Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Look at this. Okay, so
where's our planner gals?
Yes. So here's $1 worth of stamps or stickers. Look at how cute
How many
these
stickers are in that book? 413.
413. Now
What the
you
heck?
won't use them all, but there are a ton in here that you could use, and for your kids too. You know?
Oh, and these little circle guys are so cute for like those to-do lists and stuff. I mean, there's no sense in always buying those big, gigantic,
Yes.
expensive ones when.
Oh, glittery.
Yes. Oh, I love glitter. Love it.
Yeah.
Love it. Love it.
So yeah, so
Awesome.
$1, 400.
And now we're in the toy aisle.
Okay, so if you're a mixed media person like I am, puzzles at the dollar store are the best thing to buy.
Why have you not told me this? We did not rehearse this at all. I'm like, what is happening?
So it doesn't matter what kind you buy. You can paint over them. You can use the other side and use them in your art journal. These are just, it's great because you can get any size
Well, it doesn't matter what's on them.
Yeah, and it doesn't
Yeah.
matter. Like there's your 24, here's 60.
Oh, and here's a 300, so
300,
those
so
will be a
those are
different
small.
size.
Yes.
Oh, and here's a 60. Oh my
Yes.
goodness.
Oh, come
mind
over.
exploded.
Come here.
Hold on.
Come here. So, pool noodles. There's a lot you can do with pool noodles. I just watched a video where a lady took moss, put it all over her pool noodle, and then twisted it into a topiary. So
We need to go find her.
we need to find this one and
Yeah.
show it to you because it was amazing. You could put lights on it, you could do double, however you want to do it. These,
Well, the only thing I've seen people do is they glue it together and make a wreath
Make a
because
wreath
it's
like
cheaper
this.
than buying the foam wreaths.
Yeah.
And I've seen that, and then you can also like adjust your size. Like if you don't want a giant
Yes.
one, you can
You
do
could.
it in different sizes.
but yes,
Awesome.
these are all-purpose. Love 'em.
Awesome. Hey, so now we're in the picture frame aisle, and there's like 105 things you
Yes.
can do with a single picture frame. So we won't go into great detail, but I will give you a sneak peek that it is what we are doing next month on the Idaho Living. So be sure to stay tuned for that, and we'll link and keep you all posted.
Yes.
So you'll definitely want to subscribe so that you don't miss a thing.
Yes, and if you like following us around the dollar store, let us know. We can do another video and show you some more things that we find at the dollar store.
Oh yeah, we've only been in like 3
Yeah,
aisles.
it's
So-
amazing. We love
All
this
right,
place.
see you guys.
Bye.